I wander streets that breathe your name. Each corner sparks a tender flame. The night wraps secrets in its veil, and every shadow tells your tale. I chase the whispers of the wind. It teases memories pinned within. I reach for dreams that slip away, yet linger softly at the break of day. In love, we rise and then we fall. We build our worlds, then break the wall. In love, the truth can sting, can bind. I gave my heart, you gave your mind, yet still you shine behind my eyes. City lights, they hum your voice through endless nights. I thought that pride would guard my soul, but gentle touch can make us whole.